In note, I am finding what is length in contact when different shape of the object is floating on the surface of liquid. One by one, we'll see. First, for needle, length in contact will be, suppose this is water surface, here one needle is floating, then needle will be in contact with surface from this side as well as from this side also. So what is total length in contact? L or 2L? 2L. L is the length of the needle, but it is contact with the water surface from both the sides. So imagine if you have to lift the needle, दोनों साइड से आपको ये पुल मिलेगा. So many times when we take a small bucket or small mug, inverse in water, when you are pulling, ये पूरे को खींचते रहता है नीचे को. That's why we get force, or we have to apply force to pull it. वही surface tension. First वाला clear? Needle के लिए 2L is the length in contact with the liquid surface which will be pulled by liquid molecules.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For ring, suppose this is ring kept on the surface of the liquid. This is water. So if I take it separate, then outer end will be pulled downwards at right angle. Inner end will be also pulled downwards. So how much part is in contact? Outer boundary, which is circumference, and inner boundary, which is also circumference. So can I write it is 2 times circumference or not? Tell me. Okay, right, this 2 point. 1 2 marker, small sums they usually ask. Direct formula based. Suppose this is disk. Disk is solid, it's not having hole, a disk. It is floating on the surface. So only this outer part will be in contact with the water. Only outer surface will be in contact. So I can say the length in contact for disk is outer circumference, which is 2 pi r. For disk with hole, length in contact will be outer circumference plus inner circumference. Copy this 2 point. For disk, only circumference from outside, and if it is hole, then outer plus inner, because water will come from inside as well as from outside. Yes, Vrunda, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. I think completed, no? Aryan Singh, any doubt?
No, sir.
Done, sir.
Fifth, for rectangular wire frame. Now, if it is rectangular wire frame, that means inside it is hollow, only frame. So when I keep it on the water surface, water will come from inside as well as it will be from outside. So we will have water pulling this from outside as well as from inside. So can I say total length in contact will be double the perimeter? That means outer perimeter plus inner perimeter. So write 2 into perimeter. 6. For closed glass tube, if this is one glass closed and you put this on water surface, only that outer part will be in contact, so it is just circumference. For open glass tube, again when I keep the open glass tube vertical, this part will behave like ring, so it will become double the circumference. So based on this they can ask you find the force due to surface tension. So you should know what is length in contact. Yeah, can I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Define surface energy. If we take liquid, obviously in a container such as glass, then molecules which are inside, they will be acted upon by similar forces from all the sides, which is called cohesive force. So net force acting on this will become 0. It will be free to move. Free to move means it has only kinetic energy. But when it enters inside, now see, if I take its molecule here, some molecule here, some molecule on the surface, some molecule equals to molecular range. Now molecular range means range up to which molecular influence exists. That means till there is attraction, it is called range. Molecular influence exists. So if I draw imaginary sphere with this range which is radius, then we can see partially it is lying in air. If it is exactly here, then half in air, because this distance is called molecular range or radius of that imaginary sphere, which is sphere of influence. Sphere of influence means imaginary sphere drawn with molecular center and molecular range as radius. In this, whichever molecule comes will be attracted by A. Bahar wale ko there is no pulling force. So if here there is one molecule exactly on the surface, then I can draw a sphere. If C is center, then clearly it is visible half is in air. Air ka attraction power is 0 because they are gas. Gas mein there is no attraction. So it will be acted upon by resultant downward force by the liquid molecule. If it is somewhere in between, then partially that sphere of influence is in air. Again, it will be acted upon by some downward force. So every molecule which is in the distance equal to molecular range from the surface, which is called as surface film, will be acted upon by resultant downward forces. That film ka distance is very small, 10 raised to minus 9. Now again see what is surface energy after understanding somewhat this much. When molecule is well inside the liquid, it is free to move. No work done against any opposing force. As soon as molecule enters in surface film, it is acted upon by downward forces. So downward force will pull it down to retain itself in the surface film. It has to do work against the pulling force, or we can say downward force, or we can say opposing force. All are same. Work done against force, I don't know whether you know, it is called potential energy. So this work done against the downward force is stored on the surface in the form of potential energy called as surface energy. Once again, what is surface energy? When the liquid molecule is well inside, then it is free to move. Hence, there is no work done against the opposing force. But as soon as molecule enters in surface film, it is acted upon by downward force. These forces will try to pull the molecule downward. Hence, to retain itself, molecule has to do work against the force. This work done is stored as potential energy on the surface, called as surface energy. Okay, have you followed the meaning?
Yes, sir.
Write down. When a molecule of liquid is well inside, then it is free to move. Well inside, then it is free to move. Then it is free to move. Hence, no work is done hence no work is done. But as soon as molecule enters surface film, it is acted upon by resultant downward forces. Resultant downward forces. Hence, to retain itself, work has to be done against downward forces. This work done is stored in the form of potential energy on the surface, called as surface energy. In the form of potential energy on the surface, called as surface energy. So we did definition of surface tension, surface energy. Now we have to get relation between them. Yes, Kamya, follow till this?
Yes, sir.
Because if you understand concept, the chapter is simple. Textbook many times doesn't give proper explanation, or we fail to understand their explanation. Yes, can I clear this full now?
Yes, sir.
Next heading, right? Obtain the relation. Obtain the relation between surface tension and surface energy. Surface tension, surface energy. Usually asked for 3 marks in the exam. Obtain the relation between surface tension and surface energy. Have you gone to garden any time before? Or when you were a small kid? Have you been to garden?
Yes, sir.
So, at the entry what you saw, मुझे तो एक वो बुड्ढी का बाल वाला दिखा था. Cotton, what we say, cotton.
हाँ सर, कॉटन कैंडी वाला, गोले
कॉटन
वाला.
कैंडी वाला, हाँ. फिर और एक आदमी दिखा था, वो बैठ के ना सोप सॉल्यूशन ही हैड, और उसके हाथ में ऐसे एक कुछ तो था, एक ऐसा स्ट्रॉ जैसा, एंड दैट वाज कनेक्टेड टू अ रिंग. ही वाज डिपिंग दिस इनटू सिलेंडर. फिर ये सोप ऊपर आता था और फिर ये ब्लो करता था ना, तो इधर से ऐसा ये बबल रिलीज होता था. हैव यू सीन दिस?
यस सर.
है ना, ऐसा वो उड़ाते रहते सोप बबल. So what he exactly do, he gives the air, तो ये फिल्म ना ऐसा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है, और जैसे ही ज्यादा हवा हो जाता है तो इट कम्स आउट. So if this is rectangular frame of wire, if I dip in soap solution, तो इधर फिल्म बन जाएगा ना ऐसा. नहीं समझा?
समझा?
समझा? Okay. So if I consider rectangular frame of wire, A, B, C, D, where 3 sides are fixed and 4th side of length L is movable. मतलब इसको I can move to and fro. When the frame is dipped in soap solution and lifted, then soap film is formed. Please draw this much diagram. First paragraph I am writing. Below the diagram, consider a rectangular frame of wire ABCD such that three sides are fixed and fourth side CD of length L is movable. When the wire is dipped in soap solution and lifted, then soap film is formed. Just complete this measure, then I'm explaining for you. Once you complete, please tell her, because further then I will explain you how forces are acting. Hello? Completed till this?
Done, sir.
We are interested in two things: relation between energy and tension. Energy means always work done, tension is always force. So on the right hand side, do we have soap molecules or not? On the right hand side, what we have on the right hand side? Air, na? Air. And left hand side, soap film. So this soap film molecule will try to pull this CD inward. That means force due to surface tension will try to contract the film, because this side we are having molecules they always attract here. Air का ताकत कुछ नहीं है, so it will try to pull it inward by force due to surface tension T, and that force, can I say it is T into total length in contact, where T is surface tension. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So film is formed. फिर ये डायग्राम में ऐसा बना दो, force acting inward. Thus force F due to surface tension T will try to contract the film. Surface tension, thus force F due to surface tension T will try to contract the film. So in diagram, please show that forces acting inward. Thus force F due to surface tension will try to contract the film. F equals to T into F. Yes, checking you are following me, beta?
Yes, sir.
Amir, can you tell what is total length in contact in terms of small l?
What, sir?
Capital L I have written total length in contact, okay?
Yeah.
And small s is L is the length of that side CD. So L and this small l, are they same or double or half? What it will be?
Half.
No. See, this is that rod and this is film. Film
Yeah.
तो thick size करेगा ना ऐसा. तो इसको ऊपर से भी खींचेगा और नीचे से भी खींचेगा ना इसको. So it will be 2L.
Okay. हाँ.
So imagine ऐसा एक layer है. Layer. If I see from the top, तो top से भी it is touching that CD. Bottom से also it is touching ना. So total length in contact for finite thickness is 2L. So we can say therefore F equals to T into 2 into L. मतलब देखो कैसा है, ये CD है और ये थिक है, तो इधर से खींचेगा ऐसा ऊपर वाले साइड से, नीचे वाले साइड से भी खींचेगा ना ऐसा. So net length in contact will be from left side, that means from down as well as from top. Therefore it is 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write this much. Equation 1. So we got force F T into 2L is trying to contract the film. If you have completed till 1, tell me. Till equation 1. Completed?
Yeah, sir.
So if I have to retain this film, I have to keep it pulling on the right side, otherwise it will contract. So suppose again that F, we are moving this side CD by very small distance dx. Then there will be increase in area of the film from top as well as bottom against this force. And work done against force will become energy stored. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is trying to contract inward, but I am trying to pull it so that it is brought to new position. So to pull this, I have done my wastage of energy, which is getting stored on the surface, which is called surface energy. Okay. And now draw the diagram further till C dash D dash.
Done, sir.
Then I'm just clearing everything now. Everybody is done now for?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Write down next one. Let the side CD be moved by very small distance dx against force F. Therefore, work done, comma dW is force into displacement. E into 2L dx. Actually speaking, this is LDX from the top. Same way LDX will be from bottom because the frame is of finite thickness. This is the frame. तो इधर 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 ऊपर और टॉप नीचे से दोनों से वो लेयर बनेगा. So whatever has been increased, that is from above as well as from bottom. So I can say but LDX. वापस समझने का कोशिश करो. This is that rectangular frame जिधर वो फिल्म बन गया था. तो ये फिल्म टॉप और बॉटम दोनों से भरता है, ऊपर भी है और नीचे पूरा भर गया ये. सो व्हेन यू पुल दिस तो ऊपर से भी एरिया चेंज होएगा और नीचे से भी चेंज होएगा. सो एक पार्ट को L dx ऊपर L dx नीचे. सो 2L dx equals to dA equals to total change in area. Therefore, dW is T into dA. Copy this much now. Let the side CD be moved by very small distance dx against force F. So work done, comma dW equals to F dx. So dW is L, 2L dx, but 2L dx is dA, total change in area. This work done is stored in the form of energy. Therefore, change in energy, comma du is T into dA. So du upon dA is T. Du means change. Change is due to change in area. Because every body has some energy. By changing its area, I have changed the energy. This is relation between surface tension and surface energy. This is the relation between surface tension and surface energy. Thus, surface tension is also defined as change in the surface tension is also defined as change in surface energy per unit change in area. Surface tension is also defined as change in surface energy per unit change in area. Change in surface energy per unit change in area. Therefore, its SI unit is also joule per meter square. That means one unit we got Newton per meter, second unit is joule per meter square. This is due to force upon length and this is due to change in energy per unit change in area. Can I clear now everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No. It is obtained formula for change in energy when n droplets coalesce means combines to form single drop. Coalesce to form single drop. Favorite problem based 4 marks. Generally they ask problem. So suppose we have n droplets. Total n droplets. They combine to form single bigger drop of radius capital R. This was small r. ये सब ड्रॉप को ज्वाइन किया तो एक बड़ा ड्रॉप बन गया. So volume is same of entire liquid. Like suppose I take 1 drop liquid, 2 drop liquid, 3 drop liquid, 4 and fill the entire glass. So entire glass का जो volume है it is पूरा वो drop का volume रहेगा. So volume of liquid means volume is constant, and if solid then we can take area is also constant. Here volume of n droplets should be volume of one big drop. Actually I am interested in change in energy, that means I am interested in change in area when droplet combines to become drop, but because it is liquid so I am telling volume of n is same as volume of figure 1. N droplet means n into 4 by 3 pi r cube, and one big drop is 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. 4 by 3 pi cancel. So n raised to 1 by 3 into R you can write as capital R. Please copy till this. surface area of n droplets and A1 equals to n 4 pi r square. Surface area of one big drop, comma, A2 equals to 4 pi capital R square. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So I got surface area of all the n droplet and surface area of one big drop. I'm converting this big drop ka answer in terms of small r. Then change in area is difference. T into change in area will give me change in energy, which I want formula of. So this is nothing but 4 pi capital R square means it is n raised to 1 by 3 small r ka square. So it is 4 pi n raised to 2 by 3 into r square. So change in area dA is A1 minus A2. Because it is understood droplets area will be more. When they combine, तो एक side touch हो जाता है ना, तो area कम हो जाएगा. So change in area is A1 minus A2. This is 4 pi r square into n minus 4 pi r square n raised to 2 by 3. So 4 pi r square into n minus n raised to 2. Therefore, change in energy, comma, du is T into dA, which is T into 4 pi r square n minus n raised to 2 by 3. So many times in MCQ they will ask, if n droplet combines to form single drop, what is formula for change in energy? T into 4 pi r square n minus n raised to 2 by 3. That means it is T into area of single drop, because drop is combining droplet, and inside n minus n raised to 2 by 3. After writing 2-3 times, you will remember. Yeah, please write down everything till end. Completed?
Done, sir.
So just revise and come for the next lecture.